At this time of year, the Crocosmias are finished flowering and just kind of collapse. It's really personal preference what you choose to do with them at this time of year. Some say leave them die back to when the leaves go brown, because this then has enabled all the nutrients from the leaves to go back into the corms, so they're nice and healthy for new regrowth in the spring. Some people just cut them right back and the regrowth comes back as normal in the spring. We're actually just going to cut them right back. Oops. We've now cut back this really vigorous clump of Crocosmia, and I'm now going to split it just by driving the spade in. Oops. Just like that. Pop it in the truck. And there we go. So splitting the clump forming perennials this time of year keeps them thriving and vigorous.